In this video, you will discover how to expand your influence on YouTube by using caption to make your content more engaging and more accessible to a global audience. Hi, it's Dessyclef with yet another video. If you are new here, I do reviews, upload educational content while entertaining at the same time, anytime. So if you haven't already, click that subscribe button, hit that bell too, and you wouldn't miss anything I upload. If you are a YouTube content creator, then your goal probably is to have your content reach a wider audience than you are currently serving. YouTube has over 1.9 billion logged in users visiting the platform every month. With this information, I see a huge potential to grow as a content creator on this platform if uploaded content are well optimized for a global use. You might have amazing videos on your YouTube channel and still suffer in search results and audience retention if viewers are not spending enough time watching your videos. One way to change this is to start adding subtitles to your videos because people prefer watching videos with subtitles. It has a way of making you appreciate what you are watching. In fact, it helps direct your concentration on the video being watched with the way it helps you feel part of what's going on. That doesn't only apply to YouTube videos. Think about the musical lyrics. Think about the karaoke lyrics and how they help you relate to the song being played while the instrumental of the song or the song itself plays. Personally, I prefer watching videos with subtitles even if the videos doesn't interest me. I like how watching videos with subtitles makes me feel smarter. I like how it makes me understand the video I'm watching better. So as a content creator, you want to capitalize on the effect subtitles has on viewers to maximize your interaction and keep them engaged for a longer period of time. The more engaged they are, the higher your audience retention goes. You can use subtitles to open your content to a much wider audience without any limitation. Imagine your audience find themselves in a situation where he or she is unable to use the sound coming from their devices. The probability that he or she will watch the desired video in such situation is close to zero. But if you added a subtitle to that particular video, he or she could still consume that content and get the desired outcome just by reading along the text as they watch the video. By adding subtitles to your video, you don't only win over people who can use the audio sounds coming from their devices at a particular moment. You also attract viewers who have the personal habit of using subtitles while they watch any video. But not only those, you also help people with hearing disability consume your content without losing out on anything. YouTube is a platform that accommodates diversity. People from different cultural backgrounds uses this platform within their cultural understanding. So as a content creator, you want to be able to reach people who speak languages different from your own. It is important to note that YouTube will serve your content to a viewer based on the viewer's language setting and not based on where they are located. For instance, I'm located in Italy, a country where the official language is called Italian. Rather than serving videos in Italian, YouTube is serving me videos in English language because that's what my setting states. By translating your subtitles into languages understood by your viewers, into languages understood by the ethnic group you intend to reach, you create a possibility for your content to be searched for in different languages, whether on YouTube or in search engines. You also allow viewers who are having difficulties understanding the original audio of your content to comprehend the message by reading along the text in their own language. And this will significantly increase the popularity of your content as they will keep coming back for more of what you have to offer. The fact that you would have the same content in different languages means your video would have more keyword ranking and a wider audience since people from different countries will be consuming your content in different languages. Now that you know the many ways adding subtitles and translation to your video can help you grow as a content creator on YouTube, I'll leave a link to a video here to help you on how to add subtitles to your video. If you have any experience with subtitles and how they've helped you consume your content in the past, try share that with us in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Until my next video, peace.